yellow. Today we're going to be changing some stickers. You know what I mean? I used to have Italian God on my car, which was my Instagram and stuff that I used to follow for gaming and whatnot. It's just an old nickname. However, I want to take the channel serious. So, we got Pedretti Racing in here for the Instagram. And then obviously a brand new banner or wall back window style sticker for the YouTube, which you guys can see here. All thanks to Sinister Designs. So, thank God, because they always follow through. And yeah, that's what we're going to do. I'm going to take off the old sticker, though. I still got the old Italian God sticker on the back window, and we're going to be taking that off. What I'm going to be using to get that off, though, they have like a 3M adhesive remover that's out there that's really, really good. I've used that in the past, but I'm going to be using Glue Gone, and it's really simple to use. I'm actually going to use it just on like a microfiber towel, kind of wipe it in there really good. And then I got a scraper thing of a bobber, which I'll show you guys that. Came with the Glue Gone, so we can just scrape that, you know, sticker off. Pretty easy. All right, let's get into it. All right, there's the old Italian God sticker. We're going to take that off and then put the YouTube up in here. Yeah. Replace that. I mean, it's such a nice colored sticker that matches the car, but it's got to go. We're making changes. Yeah. I might put this Italian God one back where I had my old one back in here. Might end up doing that. Yeah. All right, let's go. Yep. Now I realized my other scraper was messed up because I used it prior on some other things I probably shouldn't have used it on, but that's, I mean, it's easy as that. All I really did was wipe some of the Glue Gone here onto this, and then wiped upon the one sticker here, and then let it settle in a little bit. And the rest of the stuff will come off pretty easily. After I'm done, I'm going to wash up these windows pretty good. I'll show you what product I use to clean my windows. Why not, right? So let's get into that next too. Why not? Alright, what do you know? We got that sticker off. You see a little bit in the background there, which is fine. I got a cleaner I'm going to be using to clean up this window, which will be Deluxe Car Care's Crystal Clear. Which is really, you get the point. It's really good. So I'm going to clean up this whole window, everything, and go over this product a little bit. And, yeah, put that new sticker on right there. Pedretti Racing. Now, if you haven't followed, I mean, subscribed. You really should. You know, you really should. All right. Crystal Clear by Deluxe Car Care. Check that out. Oh, those bubbles. Oh, yeah. Anyway, so on the side here, like I said, most of these bottles... Well, how about this? Like every bottle from Deluxe Car Care will come with a little thing on the side here telling you what they're all about. So you got Crystal Clear is ready to use, easy on and off formula, ammonia free. And Crystal Clear is safe on window tint, dash gauges, and interior, exterior clear plastics, effective at removing tobacco stains, everyday grime, bugs, tar, and more, leaving a slick clean, well, streak-free clean, and, you know, shine. So there's more here, but you get the point. This is really good, you know? And we're going to show you guys on these windows. Obviously, I took the sticker off. I'm putting on Pedretti Racing. I might have a little bit of dirt on this window, maybe not. It's hard to see, man. I got a little bit of grime, I think, on this front end, maybe. This car's like always clean. I mean, it's got a little shit here and there, but it's like always clean. Well, besides back here, but we're not gonna get into that's for another day. All right. Now, I mean, it might be a dumb question. Some people are like, well, why are you going to clean the window, blah, blah, blah. You just put the sticker on. Well, you see, I did use Glue Gone right here. And I don't want to put the sticker right back on the spot that already has that, you know, stuff on it, that product on it, which will obviously not help my sticker stick at all. So we're going to be spraying up this, you know, whole window with some crystal, you know, crystals, you know, crystal clears. Yeah, well, this heater is really nice behind me. Feels nice. I also found out it has a setting on here for like just a fan. So it kind of just blows like a fan, you know, like air, not just heat. So that's really cool. But yeah, we're going to spray some more on here. And clean up this window really good. Because it needs it. All right. And I'll be back with you guys in a second. I'm sure you guys don't want to watch me clean this entire freaking window. Some of these stickers, man, they just... over time and getting beat up, you know. I feel like I'm out of breath. I worked all night and here I'm still working. But yeah, it's working out pretty good. I'm gonna get the rest of this window and wipe her all down really good. I sprayed quite a bit on here. I suppose you really don't need that much. But I'm gonna clean up the rest of this, and we're getting ready to put that sticker on, and then I'll show you guys a little bit more of this product. Oh yeah. Yeah, that window's looking great. So clean, a bird could smack into it. Oh, okay. I did not get the inside window. That's a pain in the butt to get to because of my harness bar in the back there. It's just, you know, I'm a big guy. Can't really make that. So, I mean, I could reach. My kids, once they get old enough, that could be their chore. Clean the back window. Oh man, I'm a bad father. Anyway, but yeah, that looks really, really good. It looks really clean. However, the stickers, some of them are a little popped up here and there. It's just, you know, like I said, I drive the car all the time and go to all kinds of events. Sometimes they get rained on, sometimes they get in some bad weather. But it looks good. It looks really good. And again, that's Deluxe Car Care. It's clear, or crystal clear. It works great. I love it. I've been using it now on my car, and it's just amazing, phenomenal. Like I said, if you guys have not picked it up, I recommend you do so, because man, it's great. All right, let's go. Yeah. Well, there it is, Pedretti Racing. Well, it's not done yet. So what I'm going to do is, you know, push this in here really good. I already made sure there was no bubbles. I flattened it out really, really nice. Up here is just a little thing I can get that easily. That's not even part of the actual sticker. But usually I just rub this in, give it a little bit of heat. Make sure it gets onto that window pretty good before I lift all this off. I'm sure you guys know how to do stickers. There's so many people out there with stickers. Mine actually represent businesses, things I'm a part of, events. That's why they're on the car. But in reality, I'm going to be honest with you guys, I'm not really a big sticker guy. But if you look at my Mustang, you're probably like, well, I mean, you got a vinyl wrap. You got stickers all over the back window. I get it. I know. But it is to support others who also support me. And I got to give them love, you know, because they're great people. So that's the reason behind my sticker fetish. All right. So, yeah. I warmed up the bottom down here before I stuck this sticker on. That way it sticks a little better. And putting Pedretti Racing there, kind of right in the middle. Between the third brake light. Yeah, okay, you get it. And then Pedretti Racing, been the back window here, took off the wrap. It actually came off pretty easily. Sinister Designs does not disappoint. And the sticker is great. And I set this on here nicely. Don't worry, didn't scuff up the car. It's not going to hurt the 3-valve. However, I just set it on there nicely to heat that up so it does go on there nice because I think it's like 40 degrees out or whatever. So it's still a little chilly. In the garage, it's getting a little warmer, but not the best yet. And I want to make sure the stuff sticks on here. I have just a small bubble over here somewhere I'm going to pop out. Really easy to do. And yeah, we're pretty much done. Oh yeah. Oh man, just beautiful. Came right off. Now I'm going to touch this up a little bit. Get these little bubbles up out of there. Fantastic. Turned out great. All done. I mean, this window. Shit, it looks pretty clean already. But I'm still gonna spray the rest of this down. Yeah. This time I'm not gonna use a whole lot. Just cause. That window turned out really good. Alright. Yep. Yep. I never thought I'd grow up to be, you know, a window wiper, but it's alright. It's not too bad, right? Then you gotta lift this up. It's kinda hard to do this with the camera. But I'm gonna have to lift this up. I'm gonna have to go back through it and lift up my windshield wipers and yeah. Clean up underneath there too, you know? Got a little bug thing up here, I think. Oh, we got it. We got it. What do you know? We got the bug out of there. Yeah. Let's go get this other side. There we go. Dang, she's spiffy. Don't worry, I got underneath the whippers, alright? The whippers are good. But man, she looks so good. Ah! Remember I did that crack? Where I had that rock chip? I wonder if I can even see that. Because that part right there, that's in the dash. That's actually on the dash. Let's go see what that is on the dash there. It's like, I'm promising you guys, that's on the dash. It's right there. Like a little dust bunny, man. However, those asking about the signatures is Carol Shelby and Justin Pollock. But yeah, I I can't see that crack, the rock chip anymore. I really can't see it. I know it's there, but I can't see it. So if you guys have not seen that video, that's in the previous videos. Rain X I used. Don't mind this. Like I said, we tore this whole car apart. Like, if you guys know me, this car has been literally in pieces. And I have not been able to get this back in here properly. So I'll have to figure that out. It's not going to come out, you know what I mean? Like, the wind's not going to blow it out, but it's just, you know, looking ghetto. Some of you guys say my car is, like, clean as shit. It's so dope. Like, I can see a scratch. Or, not scratch, but a ding right there. There's a little ding right there. I just noticed that. And I know there's another one. I saw another one. Let's just walk over here slowly. Walk on some crumpled leaves. And I'm gonna find another one. I can guarantee. Oh, there it is, right above the door handle. Can you guys see it? I see it. Right there. There's a little ding. See, these are this is shit I don't... How? Like, how does it even happen? But it just goes to show that I drive the car. Like, I daily... Besides winter, it looks like she might be parked for good now, but I'm not 100% sure. I do have to get the car cleaned, as in pop the trunk, and in the middle here, the crease is inside here. Sometimes leaves and dirt get inside here when you pop the trunk. So I definitely got to get in here and clean, because we are going to a March car show. Hopefully, if they do still do it, I'm going to try and get into that. It's a La Crosse Center car show. And it's indoors, so I don't have to worry about the snow, none of that shit. But however, it is indoors, and I got a little string there hanging. Cool. But that means I got to really, really clean and detail this car. And if I'm doing that, it's going to go deluxe car care, man. Anyway, guys, thanks for stopping by and checking it out. You know, I know it's just simple me putting on some stickers and using some Goo Gone, but maybe it might have helped some people. And then the Crystal Clear, you should definitely use that on your windows, because it really, really works. And like I said, it takes out bug tars, all kinds of stuff. Grime, you name it. It's going to do it. Even if you got an ugly face, it'll make you look perfect. Well, I can't promise you that. But I would recommend trying it out. And I will leave their link down below, so please go ahead and check out Deluxe Car Care for not just the Crystal Clear to clean your windows, but like everything, because everything works. And I know you guys want to be a shine above the rest. And that's the only way you're going to do it. No, seriously. All right. Catch you guys later. Thank you.